Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to customize app icons on iPhone iOS 14. Let's have a look. Today I would like to customize Twitter app icon. So to change or customize app icon, first open Shortcuts app. If you don't have Shortcuts app, you can download it from App Store. Tap plus button on top right. Then tap Add Action. On the search box, type Open App. Then choose Open App from Actions. Tap Next on top right. Type your app name. Tap Done on top right. New shortcut created for Twitter. Now tap 3 dots on shortcut. Tap Choose. Choose the app that you would like to customize icon. Here I am selecting Twitter. Tap 3 dots on top right. Tap Add to Home Screen. Tap on the icon beside app name. Then tap Choose Photo. Select your photo from gallery. Tap Choose on bottom right. Photo added on Twitter icon. Tap Add button on top right. It's added to home screen. Tap Done. Also tap Done. Now go to home screen and here my custom Twitter icon. Using custom icon, you can open that app. It's opening Twitter. Now if you want to remove that original app icon from home screen, tap and hold on the icon you want to remove. Tap Remove App. Tap Move to App Library. That's it. Twitter moved to App Library. But using customized icon, I can open Twitter app. If you want to get back your original icon from App Library, swipe left and go to App Library. Tap and hold on the app that you want to move on home screen. Then tap Add to Home Screen. That's it. That original icon came back. If you want to delete customized icon from home screen, first open Shortcuts app. Then tap Select on top right. Select your customized shortcut. Tap Delete on bottom right. Shortcut deleted. Now go to the home screen and tap and hold on the icon that you have created. Then tap Delete Bookmark. So these are the steps to customize app icons on iPhone iOS 14. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.